Microsoft Store is not opening, keeps crashing, shows a blank screen, or closes immediately in Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a real working fixes to restore Microsoft Store. Why this happens? This usually happens because of corrupted store cache, broken Windows files, incorrect date and time, and store app corruption. Let's fix it step by step. Before jumping to the tutorial, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Fix number 1. Check date and time. Go to the Windows search bar, search for settings, open the settings app, find time and language, click on that, click on date and time, and make sure you have checked set time automatically. If it is disabled, check it on. So once you enable it, select time zone automatically. Scroll down, click on sync now button. Now Microsoft Store often fails if date or time is incorrect. Now try to open the Microsoft Store. If it is not works, move to the fix number 2, reset Microsoft Store cache. Go to the Windows search bar, search for run, open the run app. Now type wsreset.exe. Hit enter. A black window will appear and close automatically. The store should launch afterward. Still not working? Move to the fix number 3, repair Microsoft Store. Right click on the start menu, select settings, find apps, click on that, click on installed apps, scroll down and find Microsoft Store, or search in the apps Microsoft Store. You will find under the pre-installed applications. Click on the 3 dots here, select advanced options. Scroll down, you will find reset option. Under that, click on the repair button. It will repair the Microsoft Store and you can launch it. Fix number 4. Re-register Microsoft Store. Go to the Windows search bar, search for PowerShell. Right click on that, select Run as Administrator. Say yes. Now copy and paste the command here. This command is provided in the video description. Go there, copy and paste here. So once you're done, hit enter. Wait until completed, then restart your PC. Fix number 5. Repair Windows files. Go to Windows search bar, search for cmd. Right click on the command prompt, set run as administrator. Yes to continue. Now type sfc /scannow. Hit enter. After completion, type DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth is pasted in the video description. Go there and copy. Once you type, hit enter. Wait for the completion. Once you're done, restart the Windows. Fix number 6. Sign out and sign in again. Open the Microsoft Store, click on the profile icon, then sign out. Again, sign in. This fixes account synchronization issues. Once it's done, you're good to go. If it is not working, move to the fix number 7, install Windows updates. Right click on the start menu, select settings, click on Windows update, check for updates. If you found any latest updates available, install all them and restart. If Microsoft Store opens but downloads doesn't work, the issue is usually your Microsoft account, cache, or Windows update service. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to FIXsage for real Windows fixes. Comments below if your store was crashing, blank or not downloading apps. Bye bye.